My lifestyle is full of stress. I need to work for extended hours, even till midnight. I have tried dozens of brands, but I only ended up with fake promises. They did not deliver what they promised. Only when I tried Performax, my search has ended. Performax is an energy booster. I felt much younger, and now I'm even recommending it for all my friends. Performax is the brand of choice.
I'm a businessman. My job requires me to be alert all the time. In the process, I start losing sleep, energy, and even my family was affected with my lifestyle by spending less hours with them. A friend of mine advised me to take a supplement that promises better sleep, enhanced mood, and overall health. I've already consumed 1 bottle of Performax, and already I see the positive effect. Now I can do my work better and at the same time spend time with my family. In addition to that, my doctor was surprised of my improved overall health.
I have been in the food business for 10 years. I love food, I love to eat, but I want to be fit. I go to the gym every day, but I still lack of sleep, lack of energy. I cannot have this because of my business. Until I found a product called Performax. After I tried it, I can sleep well, I can go to the gym, I can work out. My immunity system got stronger, so I can face the demands of my work.
Alam nyo, bilang isang composer-producer, lagi na lang akong pagod sa gabi, lalo na sa pag-iisip ng mga awitin. Pero simula nung makilala ko tong Performax, talagang, alam nyo yun, biglang bumilis yung aking pag-iisip. Pag-gising ko sa umaga, sobrang fresh nung isip ko. Ang sarap mag-gitara, ang sarap mag-isip ng mga awitin. Pagkatapos ko mag-compose ng mga kanta, didiretso pa ako ng golf course yan. Maglalaro pa ako. Maghapon ako maglalaro. At pag hindi pa ako nakontento sa 18 holes, magte-36 holes pa ako. Dahil dito sa Performax, talagang nararamdaman ko yung liksi ng katawan ko at saka tibay ng tuhod. Kumbaga sa gitara, pwede mong ganunin. Yan, ganyan. Kaya para sa akin, Performax lang ang dapat nyo gamitin.
Bilang artista, napaka-hectic ng schedule namin. Hindi lang 8 hours yan. Pagising sa umaga, kailangan ayusin mga gamit para sa noontime show. Pagkatapos ng noontime show, nagtitape pa ako ng soap opera. Minsan nga, umaabot kami ng hanggang umaga. Kaya napaka-draining ko, tapos nagbe-brainstorming pa. Kaya nang naging problema ko, akala ko hindi kami makakabuo ng misis ko. Pero nung natikman ko yung Performax, naku, mga yangko, sinabi ko sa network ko, bring it on! Bigyan niyo pa ako ng trabaho! Dahil parang bitin na bitin ako. Kaya mga yangko, para magandang performance nyo sa trabaho, sa bahay nyo, at lalong-lalo na kay Mrs. Mag-Performax na kayo. Performax. That's a Performax, walang bitin. Tuloy ang trabaho. Kaya for maximum performance, Performax. Para siguradong happy, yippee, yay!